Ready? Good morning, children. I hope all of you are okay. Happy Deepavali to all of you. Now, today we are going to see
Same to you, sir.
the phases of the moon. We are going to see, write down phases of the moon. Likhiye phases of the moon. Here is a sun. We know very well that moon is a non-luminous body. Moon is a non-luminous body. Here, moon is a non-luminous body that I can say it does not have its own light. Moon is a non-luminous body. It does not have on its light. So what it do? It reflects the light of the sun. It reflects the light of the sun. We can say as the moon travels around the earth. Here is the earth. The moon travels around the earth. We can write this. The sun shines on different parts of the moon. Sun shines on the different parts of the moon. When the earth rotates, sun shines on the different parts of the moon each night. Different amounts of its sunlight phase we can see every day. So you can see at board, the figure is there of various position of moon. Also you can see in your book the portion of the sunlit phase of the moon can be seen from the earth. That will give us the various phases of the moon. क्या कहलाएंगे बच्चों? Various phases of the moon here. These phases repeats every earth month. We can say in a 29 days and 12 hours. Note down this period. It repeats in 29 days, 12 hours. I am going to define some definitions about phases of the moon. That is, first you write down what do you mean by full moon? What do you mean by full moon here? When rays from the sun falls directly on the moon. Here, there is the full position of the moon. जब हमको चंद्रमा पूरा दिखाई देता है, that position is called full moon. लिखिए, when rays from the sun falls directly, when rays from the sun falls directly on the moon. Here, लिखो, when I can say when the rays from the sun falls directly on the moon, we can see a full disk of light. Here is a full disk of light. I can say this is called full moon. और बच्चों पता है आपको इस फुल मून को क्या कहा जाता है? पूरा चांद कब दिखाई देता है?
Purnima.
Very good. Clap for you. Very good. Write down the full moon means लिख लो पूर्णिमा. Then crescent moon. Here CRESCENT. Here you can say when only a part of the moon is illuminated. Only a part of the moon is illuminated. लिखो crescent moon. Only a part of the moon is illuminated by the sunlight. यानी कि हम कह सकते हैं only the part towards the earth is visible. और ऐसे मून को कहा जाता है बच्चों क्रेसेंट मून. दिस इज कॉल्ड crescent moon, part of the light is there. I can say like this. कुछ part हमारे को दिखाई दे रहा है. This is called crescent moon. And here you can say in this part. This is called new moon. New. Because third position here, you can see in this figure here. Don't talk. Vaibhav Jat. Yes. When the moon is in between when the moon is in between the sun and earth. When the moon is in between sun and earth, the sunlight reflects from the moon. The sunlight reflects from the moon cannot reach the earth. अर्थ बीच में आ गई है. So we can say here, when the moon is in between sun and earth, sunlight reflects from the moon cannot reach us. So we cannot see moon. हम क्या बच्चों उस समय हमारे को मून नहीं दिखाई देता है. Here in this position. इसको क्या कहा जाता है? न्यू मून डे, अमावस्या, जिसको हम बोलते हैं अमावस्या, पूर्णिमा और अमावस्या. Okay, when there is no light is coming from the sun, that is called Amavasya. And one more term is there, that is gibbous moon. Gibbous. लिखिए, gibbous moon. What is that?
More than half part of moon is visible.
Very good, very good. Abbas, clap for you. We can see half part of the moon. That is called, here you can say, in the first quarter, अभी इतना part हमारे पास लाइट आ रही है, यहाँ आते आते थोड़ा और बढ़ जाती है. ये you can say like this. तो लिखो, in a gibbous moon, half part of the light is visible. Half part of the light is visible. So these are the various phases of the moon. ये क्यों होते हैं बच्चों? लिखो, what is the cause of phases of the moon? Write down.
Due to movement of moon.
Due to changes in its position. लिखो, due to changes in its position. मैं साइड में हो जाता हूँ. Due to changes in its position relative to the sun. Due to changes its position relative to the sun. So we can see full moon once in a month. That is called Purnima. आपको बात समझ में आ गई? बोलो बच्चों.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Very
sir.
good. तो लिख लो. Night sky is best visible on the night of a new moon day. जब ये न्यू मून डे होता है बच्चों, उस समय हमारे को नाइट स्काई दिखती है. तो नाइट स्काई कैन बी सीन on a new moon day when the sky appears darker than on other night. क्योंकि उस समय मूनलाइट नहीं आ रही है, तो स्काई appears darker, तो we can say night sky. We can see, provided there are no clouds. What is we can say about the surface of the moon? At moon there is no atmosphere. तो लिखो, what do you know about the surface of the moon? What we can say about the surface of a moon? Here, surface of a moon. Moon जो है बच्चों, it is made up of rocks with thousands and thousands of craters on its surface. A lot of rocks are at moon. So I can say there are a large areas of flat dusty plains tall mountains are there in moon. At moon we can say, at moon, the moon has no atmosphere, no water. Nico, no atmosphere, no water. Moon has no atmosphere, no water. So, no life is possible on moon. There is no atmosphere, no water. So I can say we cannot survive. हम वहां नहीं रह सकते हैं. So we can say here, life is impossible. और I know very well, हम बातचीत भी नहीं कर पाएंगे क्योंकि एटमॉस्फेयर ही नहीं है. We know very well sound चैप्टर हमने पढ़ा है कि sound needs a medium. We know very well sound needs a medium to propagate. The moon has no medium for carrying sound waves. वह medium ही नहीं है तो we cannot listen. So no sound wave can move over there. तो लिख लो sound does not travel. लिखो sound does not travel on the moon. Sound does not travel on the moon. Then you can say some questions are there in your test book. Do it. If it is any problem, then you may ask tomorrow. Okay? We know very well in our India, many festivals are made. We can say the many festivals are celebrated according to the phases of the moon. अभी 2 दिन पहले ही दिवाली गई थी. दीपावली कब मनाई जाती है?
अमावस्या के दिन.
Very good, शाबाश, clap for you. तो लिख लो दीपावली is celebrated on अमावस्या. While we can say Buddha Purnima is celebrated on full moon. Even we can say Buddha Purnima. Okay? So various festivals are celebrated in our India by these phases of the moon. Now, one more important article we are going to discuss, that is solar system. In solar system, we can say here the sun and its family of planets. Here suppose this is sun, S. Here is sun. Suppose here is earth, E. Venus, Mercury, see in your book, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, various planets are there. Uranus, Neptune. Draw this diagram, then I am going to explain the solar family. The sun and its family of planets, comets, asteroids, satellites, and other celestial bodies constitute the solar system. So, लिखो in a solar system, write down, in a solar system, लिखिए various comets, asteroids, satellite, and other celestial bodies form solar system. So this sun forms the center of the solar system. So I am going to explain the sun has a surface temperature. Sun, लिखो, has a surface temperature of around 6000 degrees centigrade. Sun has a surface temperature of around 6000 degrees centigrade. And due to the nuclear reaction, temperature at the center of the sun is much higher. Center of the sun में जो temperature होता है, it's a very higher temperature of sun surface, 15 million degrees centigrade. I can explain here What is sun? Sun is a medium sized star. Sun is a medium sized star which liberates a large amount of energy. सन का टेम्परेचर इतना ज्यादा होता है कि लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ एनर्जी इज लिबरेटेड फ्रॉम सन. A large amount of energy is liberated due to the reactions takes place inside the sun, on the surface of sun. So I can say here, it is like a fiery ball in the sky. It gives heat, it gives energy. और वही तो सनलाइट इतनी दूर होने के बावजूद भी हमको यहाँ पर उजाला दिखाई दे रहा है. वी आर गेटिंग लाइट such a huge distance from the earth, but we are getting light. Due to heat, energy as the gases burn and light appears. Without light and heat from the sun, there would be no life on the earth. अगर सन से हमारे पास लाइट आए ही नहीं तो we cannot survive. हम कब तक आर्टिफिशियल लाइट काम में लेंगे? Here the light which is coming from the sun is called natural light. कौन सी लाइट कहलाती है बच्चों?
Natural light.
Very good. लिख लो. The light which we are getting from the sun is called natural light. Various planets. The planets are solid celestial bodies made up of rocks. लिखो वेरियस प्लेनेट आर सॉलिड सेलेस्टियल बॉडीज मेड अप ऑफ रॉक्स मिनरल्स ये सब नेचुरल प्लैनेट्स की बात कर रहे हैं अपन. दीज आर द नेचुरल प्लैनेट्स अवेलेबल इन द यूनिवर्स. द रिवॉल्व अराउंड द सन. देखो नेचुरल प्लैनेट्स revolves around the sun in a fixed orbit. जिस ऑर्बिट में वो चक्कर लगाते हैं उसको ऑर्बिट कहा जाता है. तो लिख लो यहाँ पर the revolves around the sun in a fixed elliptical orbit. elliptical मतलब ये शेप अंडाकार, here, not circular shape. These planets revolves around the sun in an elliptical orbit. These are called orbits. These are called orbits. These orbits are of different size. We have seen the different planets: Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Different मैंने अभी बना के बताया थे फिगर में. So these are the different planets available in the universe. लिख लो planets के नाम. In a solar system, लिखो in a solar system, various planets are there. मैं लिखता हूं बोर्ड पर. In a solar system, various planets are available. That is Mercury. This is also called Buddha. Here. Then I can say Venus.
Sir, please repeat.
Venus. That is also called Shukra. Then I can say Earth. That is called Prithvi. Here. That is called Prithvi. Then Mars, जिसको हम कहते हैं मंगल. Mars, that is called मंगल. Yes, लिख लो. Mars, मंगल. Jupiter, बृहस्पति. Jupiter, write down here.
Brihaspati.
बृहस्पति. Here. Brahaspati, then Saturn, Sunny. Here are the various planets: Saturn, Sunny, Uranus, Indra. Uranus, Indra. और लास्ट कौन सा बच्चों? बोलो लास्ट वन.
Neptune.
Neptune.
Last one is Neptune, that is called Varun.
Varun.
These are the various planets, or you can see in your book. सब लिखा हुआ है, उसको पढ़िएगा. Mercury is a small planet. It is nearest to the sun. Mercury जो है बच्चों, it is a small planet and it is nearest to the sun. Making it is very hot, क्योंकि हमारे सन के सबसे पास में यही होता है. It is a fairly bright planet. This can be seen by naked eye. This can be seen by a naked eye. Okay? In the east, just before sunrise, or in the west, just after sunset. ये कब कब दिखाई देता है? ये मैंने आपको बताया अभी. Mercury does not have any moon. लिख लो. Mercury does not have any moon. Yes. उसके बाद जो वीनस है बच्चों, इट इज द ब्राइटेस्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इन नाइट स्काई. ये जो वीनस है, जिसको हम शुक्र कहते हैं, इट इज द ब्राइटेस्ट, इट इज द हॉटेस्ट प्लैनेट. और इसमें बच्चों कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, बहुत ज्यादा होती है. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड इवनिंग स्टार. इट इज आल्सो कॉल्ड इवनिंग स्टार. This can be visible in early morning in eastern sky or early evening in the western sky. बच्चों, ये जो वीनस है, this Venus appears bright because it reflects 75% of the light which receives from the sun. सन से जो इसके ऊपर लाइट गिरती है, उसमें से 75% लाइट्स को ये रिफ्लेक्ट कर देता है. That's why it is the brightest. Venus rotates anti-clockwise. Venus rotates anti-clockwise while the Earth rotates clockwise around the sun. Earth rotates clockwise around the sun. Venus rotates anti-clockwise. It also does not have any moon. So dear children, this is all about today's module. We will discuss some more thing about other planets, Earth, here, Uranus or other planets. You can read them from your book, and if you face any kind of problem, then ask. Okay? Now, Darshil, send me the attendance. Is it any problem, then ask. Darshil. Okay? Saket, also you also send me attendance.